Well, thanks for visiting us here at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marcis with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Got some really nice summer weather lined up for you today. You have to take advantage of the cooler weather and the lower humidity today because we will start that warming trend right back up tomorrow. So given a one-day break from the heat wave here, so if you've been putting off some of those outdoor activities or just some yard work or anything because of the heat, today's a great day to be outside, especially this morning as we'll be in the 60s and 70s through the morning. And you will definitely notice lower humidity as well. Lower temperatures, most of us behind this front have fallen into the 50s and 60s. We still have some holdouts in the 70s, but it looks like eventually this morning we'll see most of these areas dip into the 60s, just maybe the hour after sunrise here before we start to warm things up. Still have a little bit of rain trekking through south of Interstate 20, so 10% chance of rain in the forecast. So it will basically be south of the Shreveport-Bossier area through the mid-morning, but I think once we hit the noon hour today, we'll have completely dried out across most of the region. So you can see this cold front, which is pushing all the rain south and out of here. We have high pressure building in from the plains, so that's what's steering in the dry air this morning. So it should turn into just an absolutely wonderful day. We would take this every day this summer if we could get this. I'll look at the dew points. Again, typically this time of the year, we have dew points that settle in close to 70 degrees or so, but you can see behind the front, the dew point temperature has dropped into the 50s and 60s. Pretty good indicator of the humidity that's falling here, and with the north wind we'll see those dew points that are still in the 70s fall into the 60s eventually later today. So lower humidity, lower temperatures. Typical high this time of the year would be 92, and we will wind up in the mid 80s this afternoon. So all in all, I think a pretty fantastic day for us. May take a little while to shake some of the cloud cover here south of Interstate 20, but you can see the sun returning to the northern Arklatex. Shreveport will be right on that line where the clouds are, so it very well could be mostly cloudy through the morning, but we should see some sun pop back out in Shreveport-Bossier this afternoon, and very little chance I think we'll see any rain south of I-20 this afternoon. May have some clouds build back in tonight, and kind of thought about putting a slight chance of rain in the forecast tomorrow. What may happen? We may get some sea breeze type showers and storms down towards the Toledo Bend region here for the rest of the week, but really most of us will stay dry through at least Friday. We hit the weekend. We do have that slight chance of rain in there on Saturday, and it looks like an increasing chance of some showers and storms Sunday and Monday, and maybe even into the middle of next week. So it looks like maybe early next week we'll get back into that daily pattern of some showers and storms here, as we'll have a front that stalls fairly close to the region. Mentioned that warm up that's coming in the upcoming days. We'll be back to near 90 tomorrow, mid 90s to close out the week. One more night with cool temperatures, most of us in the low to mid 60s tonight, and then the humidity will keep us back in the 70s overnight for the rest of the week.